Crackdown on unauthorized immigrants from Afghanistan. What awaits Pakistan? Pakistan has initiated a vigorous campaign to suppress the presence of unauthorized Afghan immigrants within its borders. This government action may have major effects on specific refugees as well as regional dynamics at a time when links between Pakistan, Afghanistan, and international societies are still changing quickly. Over the last 40 years, Pakistan has accommodated one of the biggest numbers of Afghan refugees globally, granting shelter to millions of individuals escaping violence, persecution, and instability in their native country. During the Soviet-Afghan War in the 1980s, Pakistan was first overrun with Afghan immigrants. Nonetheless, this situation continued through the Civil War and the Taliban regime. The current unstable political climate has made it difficult to welcome these asylum seekers because of the lack of resources and infrastructure. Following an intense crackdown, Pakistan has set a deadline of November 1st for undocumented migrants to leave the country voluntarily before facing arrests and deportation. These migrants include Afghans who do not have the proper papers or legal status in Pakistan. This action is perceived as a reaction to the increasing threats to security presented by undocumented immigrants in addition to the political and economic forces affecting Pakistan. A threat to security. Perceived security dangers are one of the main reasons Pakistan is cracking down on illegal immigration from Afghanistan. Authorities in Pakistan have documented instances whereby Afghan refugees were charged with sponsoring and assisting terrorist operations. Authorities view the expulsion of unauthorized migrants from their borders as a necessary precaution against possible security concerns as a result of these anxieties, concerns for humanity. Although the crackdown in Pakistan was prompted by political and security concerns, it has seriously jeopardized the lives of Afghan immigrants who have been living there for years. Many of them have married and had children without ever going back to Afghanistan. And sending them back home without any assurances of safety or stability in a country devastated by war puts their lives in danger. Pakistan has to find other ways to help its citizens who are living here and who are in danger of being deported back. Effects on immigrant Afghans. Afghan immigrants in Pakistan who relocated willingly because they feared being arrested or deported as a result of Pakistan's crackdown had to make difficult decisions regarding their future. Afghanistan's main problems are a faltering economy under Taliban rule, unemployment, and poor basic infrastructure. In addition, dread of going back home without sufficient assistance is a concern shared by Afghan immigrants, which is made worse by their imminent return. Global reaction. Worldwide civil society and human rights organizations are gravely concerned about Pakistan's crackdown on unlawful Afghan immigrants. Amnesty International, among other international organizations, has particularly criticized Pakistan's eviction plan, claiming it endangers marginalized communities such as the Hazaras. Difficulties in solving the problem. Undocumented immigration from Afghanistan to Pakistan can lead to a number of challenges that need for a comprehensive and well-rounded approach to be solved. Pakistan, Afghanistan, and other international parties need to work together more to address the core causes of the problem, which include economic instability and security challenges. Prospective consequences. Managing the repatriation of refugees who need to be sent home because they do not have access to basic utilities in Afghanistan is a difficult assignment for Pakistan. It is their responsibility to guarantee these Afghan immigrants, who could otherwise suffer prejudice or exclusion, a safe and dignified return. Pakistan's actions have the potential to cause significant harm to Afghanistan and other international parties. Deporting Afghan refugees forcibly might sour ties between Afghanistan and Pakistan and force them to closely watch each other's actions on the defense of human rights and refugee care. The world community will undoubtedly keep a careful eye on Pakistan's reaction as well. In summary, the crackdown by Pakistan on illegal Afghan immigrants is a complex, multifaceted problem that is influenced by shifting geopolitical forces, security concerns, and the dire economic conditions in Afghanistan. Pakistan's measures aim to address short-term issues, but they also bring up longer-term political and humanitarian concerns, such as how to manage refugee returns to Afghanistan while maintaining diplomatic ties and respecting human rights norms. Ultimately, to successfully address its underlying causes, protect Pakistan's security interests, and ensure the well-being of Afghan immigrants all at the same time, an integrated joint plan is needed.